Love on this side too.
Oh, yeah, brother. Oh, yeah. Oh, I miss those bumps. Oh, the pain. Oh, I'm a tough guy. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, shit.
There you go.
Oh, looks like you guys needed some love, huh?
Back all the way like we just did. Okay, no problem. And do the right one now. Okay, and we'll see how far we get on that.
Getting your bar target here is sore, but once it's in that position,
Then you're good. Then you can get the activation. That makes sense. Hold it right there and let that hang. Let it really hang. Really hang. There you go. Alright. Let's sit. Take it back again. In the back, in the front.
in the back.
Blocked.
Yeah, there's more blocked.
More blocked than me. Yeah. So let's just go straight down here. The same thing when we got the most out of it. Now I'm gonna go there too. Okay, tap again.
Okay. As soon as you started hitting it, I could feel it almost
Open up.
opening up. Yeah.
Heavy air. There or there?
There, right there, in my throat, yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
You can really feel it opening up.
Yeah, get your shoulder out of the way. Come right through here. Push your hand to the right. Push, push, push. Okay, go back in with it. Here, push your hand to the right. Push, push, push. And again. Better.
Yeah.
Right here, reach up towards the ceiling. And back down, up. And down, and up. And down, and up. And down, and up. And down, and up. Down, up. Down, up. Down, up. Okay, we'll reach back again. Where's that?
It feels like it's